What you're looking at is Consumer Energy's Karn-Weadock complex, a primarily coal-fired electrical generating unit located on the mouth of the Saginaw River and the southern end of Saginaw Bay. On May 27, 2010, the Consumer Energy utility in Michigan suspended its efforts to build an 830 megawatt new coal-fired electrical generating unit within this Karn-Weadock complex on Saginaw Bay. The suspended generator and associated feeder rails would have been located on existing ash landfills and several hundred acres of farm fields purchased by the utility. Despite what the utility says about suspending the coal project, it is still pursuing a wetland permit for the project. The utility, Consumer Energy, claims that there are only 6.22 acres of wetlands impacted by this potential project. The state, however, as recently as October 2009, has indicated that the application was incomplete and made it obvious in written reports that farmed land can in fact be wetlands once the tile is removed. Subsequent to that, the permit process is continuing. Environmentalists, many community folks, believe that in fact there are more than 6.22 acres of wetlands impacted by this potential project. Now, we are on Botel Road. We are at the Tacey Drain, one of two drains that are in this area that cut through the farmed acreage that Consumers has purchased, and we're going to take a look at the drainage.
The facts are, these are drained areas.
Some 170 acres of farm fields in question are tiled and drained. Some are actually pumped. There are two major drains, as we've seen, running through the fields. The area is part of historical coastal wetlands, and the Karn-Weadock complex is diked and bermed. Okay, we're east of the Karn-Weadock complex now and north of those farm fields. What you are seeing here is the ecology of the bay, generally a coastal wetland marsh area. And there's no reason to believe that if those tiles are removed from the agricultural areas, they wouldn't revert to this also. But the decision is yet to be made by the state or the federal government. The permits are active. You can play a role. Please consider attending or writing on this issue.